Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is your friend Zaid Abzildar and you're watching my channel Living in Saudi Arabia. If you had not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all the notifications on time and every time. Today is Wednesday, 15th June 2022. Let's have a look at today's gold prices in Saudi Arabia. Starting with the 1 gram price of 24 carats gold without VAT price is 220.60 and with VAT is 253.69. For 22 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 202.51 and with VAT is 232.89. For 21 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 193.02 and with VAT is 221.97. For 18 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 165.45 and with VAT is 190.27. For 14 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 129.05 and with VAT is 148.41. For 10 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 91.99 and with VAT is 105.79. For 6 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 55.15 and with VAT is 63.42. Keeping in mind the VAT rate in Saudi Arabia is 15%. I hope you'll find this information is useful, and if this information is useful to you, please like this video and share this information with your friends and family so that everyone gets the latest update. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.